What's the meaning of conduit? Conduit. Conduit.
Conduit. Conduit. Conduit is a noun that refers to a channel or pipe through which something, such as water, electricity, or information, is conveyed. It can also mean a person or organization that serves as a means of transmitting something. Essentially, a conduit is a pathway or medium that facilitates the transfer of something from one place to another. In summary, conduit describes a means of conveying something, whether it be a physical substance or intangible information, through a channel or network.